Hello everyone, me again. Okay, today we're gonna do the unboxing again, as usual. The Pusheen box. Da-da, 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 da-da. I've already checked it on Instagram and I know what's in it, but I don't really know what's in it. So let's open it up together. Here we go. Pusheen, Pusheen. Oh, hoo-ah. Pusheen box. This is like a. Oh, I see a shirt. Let's see what we got today. Let me find a spot to put it. Okay, let's go to the poster card first. It seems like the dessert theme this time. Like snack, feeling like a snack. Okay, sweet like a snack. I guess that's what it means. And it's quite cute. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 products in this box this time. And it's brownish colors. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's go over everything piece by piece. Since we already see this, it's cute. I like it. You see, it's a t-shirt. And as usual, but this time it is not really like the print is not as good as before. It's more like just a normal print. It's not like you can feel it or anything, but it's not bad. You know, Pusheen box. Ta-da! I'm not really sure if this is my size. I hope so. You know, I'm chubby, so hope this is a good size to me as a like pajama to wear. That's the first piece. Oh, look what I see. It's a little lunchbox. Is it a lunchbox? Oh no, it's not a lunchbox. It's a snack box. They call it a snack box. And I like this design. You know, it's like a convertible. Oh, yeah. And it has the little something over here. I guess this is microwave safe. So you can put this up and oh yeah. I don't know how to put it back, but you know what that means. And there's a silicone. Let's see what's back there. To be finalized in China. Oh, it doesn't really have instruction like if it's okay to use in the microwave. I'm saying don't, but I don't know. Maybe you can put little like fruits, pieces of fruits, or some little snack like what they want you to put in. It has a little lid over here. Is it the correct way? Okay. Oh, okay. I close it like this and put this little button back. I guess I won't even like take it out. This little container is really cute. And the color, I like this yellow color. Oh, like it. It's like a cinnamon roll or something. Woohoo! Look at this. That's a reusable. It's an ice pack. I think this is used like the Jello is gel thing inside, and you can put it into the freeze, and yeah, just use it. That's quite useful in, well, I won't say summertime, but it's quite useful, right? Let's go to the next piece. Okay, I saw this one. Ah, cutie. This bottle opener, yes. It is a bottle opener. That's quite cute. I love it. But I don't think this... Oh, hand wash only. We're gonna put this into the dishwasher. Okay, as long as it's cute, right? And the next I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, it's a tote. Oh no, what is it? It's like a picnic bag. You see this bag, and what's in it? What does it say? Oh, it's really a picnic tote. It's cute, and it seems like big enough to put stuff in, like more containers, like some drinks. It's big, and it seems okay quality though. Oh, this is cute. The quality is really good, and I see the print. And this is not just only one layer. I can feel it like at least 3 layers over here, and it may somehow keep the temperature, right? If you have cold things, maybe it can help a little bit because it's thick enough. I'm not sure. It doesn't show it, but I just image it. I feel like it could be. It could be. You can just fold it and fold again, and come with a little rubber band and tie it up. That's what you got. Next, what is this? It's falling. Oh, what is this? It's a coffee or something. Oh, you guys cannot see, huh? It's just like as usual. We always got a stuffing toy from the box. This is the one for this time. I feel like it's a little some cake thing, right? It seems like a chocolate-ish cake thing, right? Next is this one. What is this? Oh, that's another toy we usually have from the box. This looks like this. You see this? Wrinkled. And the whole box was wrinkled. I assume it has been through a lot of things during the shipping. What is this? Oh shoot, it's broken. You see the bottom? It's broken. And you know what? Why I know it's broken? Because there is a plate on the bottom, and it's supposed to be stick together. And put this down. And you guys see this? There's a plate over here. It's supposed to be together, and it has two little things. It's supposedly, and you can see the glue over here, the glue stain over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's supposed to be a cappuccino, Pusheen cappuccino. It shouldn't be separated. It's broken. You see the bottom? It's not only the glue is no longer working, but also you see the transparent part. It has cracks over there. That means it has been through a lot. I don't know what it has, but oh, poor thing. I can just keep them together, but it's still broken. I may need to send them an email to report that thing. Hope they can replace this for me. But it's quite cute. I love this. You see those transparent part? Aww. And the top, you see those little beer thing, or how do you call this? And it's soft. That's quite cute, right? That's cute. Oh, I like it. But I definitely need to report it. Okay, I'll put it back to the original box. I may need to take pictures, multiple pictures about how this box has been. You see, it shouldn't be like shrink or whatever, the wrinkles coming through this way. I don't know. I'll need to deal with it later. Oh. And that's the last piece of this bag, of this Pusheen box. It's picnic blanket. I know. And it has a little handle over here. You see it? And how should I even open it? Oh, I'll go this way. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not much. Oh, I thought that's the only design, but actually not. It has a little something in the corner of the other side. You see, they folded it like this, so this thing should be quite big. I think for 2 person it should be enough, big enough, right? And I think it should be waterproof. So if you are sitting on the grass, that should be fine. You're gonna protect everything and your butt. Okay. Yeah. Here comes everything from this Pusheen box. I hope you enjoy it. I really like this. But I'm not really sure if this is the one I have been waiting for, because there's some drama happened between those. But I like this. I like this t-shirt the most. It's gonna be the most useful item from this box. Ta-da! Oh, cat Pusheen. Oh, cappuccino. That's cute. You guys see it? Cutie. Okay, that's everything from this Pusheen box. This is supposed to be the Pusheen box for fall, right? For autumn, I guess. Right. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Please thumbs up and give me thumbs up if you like this video, or subscribe my channel if you want to see what's going on later, or other Pusheen box. And yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.